Hi, welcome to UE Oxbridge-Prep. I'm Xie Tao. I'm happy to introduce you the latest STEP 2024 standard course developed by me, which is the most professional and systematic STEP course all over the world. This test prep course for STEP Maths exam covers over 98% of the specification. It is designed for those who are applying for mathematics or computer science courses at Cambridge, Oxford, Imperial College, UCL, and Warwick universities. The newly updated STEP 2024 course materials are extremely rich, consisting of up to 56 video lectures with duration of approximately 50 hours, along with the latest coursebook and workbook of 7th edition. And the companion material consists of two separated products. The Step 2 and 3 reproduced past papers and categorized questions, which are renewed annually. With all these course and companion materials, it's time-saving. There are 56 topics covering Step 2 and 3 pure maths, statistics, and mechanics parts, which involves a total amount of over 400 example questions and 500 practice questions. So you will never worry about insufficient practice questions to do. Never. Most of these questions are step past questions, with some selected from maths competitions and other Oxbridge exams and a few created by the author. All questions have full online solutions, parts of which are official and parts are handwritten. Once you purchase the course, you will receive the coursebook, workbook, and companion material in printable PDF format. Then you may sign in with authorized mobile number or WeChat account on the official website uei.com or Xiaoe Tech app to watch course videos. Finally, you may do practices and submit online to access full solutions to all questions. Also, we provide customized services such as one-on-one tailored tutoring and small group tutoring. Please contact us for more information. Thanks for watching. Please visit uei.com to learn more. Hope you enjoyed this course. I'm Xie Tao. Bye bye.